In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google on your desktop. This process is really straightforward and you'll find it especially handy if you frequently use Google and want quick access from your desktop. So let's dive in. First things first, open up your Google browser. This is the gateway to getting everything set up, so make sure you have it ready. Once you're in your browser, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see the familiar three dots, often referred to as the More menu. This little feature holds a lot of power in terms of customizing your browsing experience. Go ahead and give that menu a click. As you scroll down the menu, you'll find several options, things like cast, save, and share. We're looking for an option that might say more tools or something similar that gives you access to even more functionalities. This section can sometimes be overlooked, but it's a key step to creating that desktop shortcut. Click on Create Shortcut. This option allows you to create a direct link to the web application right on your desktop. Think of it as a direct portal that lets you jump straight into Google without having to open your browser and type in a URL. When you select this, a small window will pop up, giving you a chance to name your shortcut. You can name it something easily recognizable like Google Access, or simply Google. Now let's explore an alternative way just in case you encounter any hiccups with the menu path earlier. If you're using Windows, click on your Windows Start icon, usually located at the bottom left of your screen, and type in Google Chrome in the search bar. This is the traditional approach for locating applications on your computer. When you see Google Chrome in the list, click and hold it. You'll want to drag it out of this list and onto your desktop. This drag and drop method is a good old classic for quickly creating desktop shortcuts. Once you release the icon onto your desktop, voila. You'll see the Chrome icon sitting comfortably on your desktop. Now you have direct and quick entry to Google right from your desktop. Simply double click the icon and you'll be whisked away into the Google universe. This little trick is incredibly useful for saving time and making your browsing even more efficient. Whether you're just starting your computer or switching between tasks, having Google right there on your desktop can make a world of difference. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your tech experience. See you next time.